can do cheer with
Cheers on the weekend, guys. Finally, real weekend.
Yeah, finally. Cheers, Tyler. The Fam Bam.
And now we'll go together.
Alright, you guys, we are going on one of these cruises down here. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Bike all around the road.
This is a bike station, I think. Hi, Phils. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here in the Netherlands. And it's not so cold today, I must say. Still feel a little morning chill, but we'll make it do what it do. Today we are heading to...
Rotterdam.
No, wrong.
Amsterdam.
Yes, but first, say morning to the face.
Wagwan, my new time we are going to a new city and battery's dying.
Battery's dying. Say morning.
Good morning.
Sarah. Say good morning. Morning. You guys, like Kyla said, battery's dying, so I'm just gonna give you guys the intro real quick. So we're heading to the train station to get our ticket. We're going to Amsterdam today to explore the city. Heard it's beautiful, heard it's a must visit spot when you're in Netherlands. So that's where we're heading today. That's the outfit of today. Comfy, chill, and we're ready to go. So let's go have a good day, shall we? Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you watching our channel for the first time. Catch up and keep up with the Fam Bam, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today in Amsterdam. Let's go, shawty. Lego. Lego. Yes, we're visiting a new city. Ready?
Yes, and first we're going to take the metro to the terminus Rotterdam Central. Then we're going to take a TGV over.
Train. We're at the train station. Waiting to get our train. We're taking two trains. One to Rotterdam Central and then one from there to Amsterdam. How long is the one from?
1 hour.
1 hour?
1 hour from Rotterdam Central.
now?
No, from Rotterdam to Amsterdam.
know.
So you got all the information, Tyler?
Yes.
Okay, I see. Hi, where's the flowers? Show me my flowers. Show me flowers.
Oh.
She has flowers on her blouse.
Where you have to cross the train? Let's cross the train. Let's go into the train. I know that. Who's that?
Good. Sit on the other side. Sit on this side.
All by myself? Because I need to put my bag on the other.
Okay, we're in Rotterdam Central Station now, trying to figure out where to go for Amsterdam. So we got our tickets and let's go. Go with Papa.
Okay, so
Go with Papa. You talk to them after time.
it smells good.
Oh, it's croissant and chocolate bread and coffee. It smells so good. Okay, you have 9 two sides.
Bread with the
Which
butter.
one? gosh, look at this.
Bike all around the road.
This is a bike station, I think, where you can park your bikes. As far as the eyes can see, there are bikes down here on the top. Look at that. Let me zoom for you guys. Oh my god, that is so cool. Yes, that's so cool. Anyway, we need to make our way. Tyler, come.
The country of the bike.
Yes, it sure is. There, that's where we need to go.
We're going to Love.
Yeah.
What is Love? What is Love? We'll take another boat.
Hello.
Hello.
We would like to take the cruise.
Yeah. Do you want the open boat, the semi-open boat, or the covered boat?
Alright, you guys, we are going on one of these cruises down here. Down here, we chose the boat that is covered a bit. So, that's what it. Yeah? Huh? Yeah, I saw it.
We're going just that way.
Right here.
No, but what I'm thinking is when we're going to take the boat, we're going to take the boat all the way to what?
I don't know, Ty. You figure it out when we get there. We have no idea.
Let's shoot.
Don't go in it. Come. We are on the boat. Our boat look like this one over here. We made it just in time. That's what you're gonna plug in here to listen to what the tour have to say. Okay?
Okay, we
Okay. Did it say sex museum? Alright, in Netherlands, I see you. You guys, we finished the cruise and we're looking food to eat. We find a KFC. Don't know what to expect. So we're going to try. We won't know until we try. But this country, I'm just fascinated by the culture. I mean, the lifestyle of the people and the bike in the streets. We just learned that there are more bikes in the country than there's people. In the city than there's people.
It's more than 1 million bikes.
More than 1 million bikes.
It means that because some don't have bikes, that some have more than one.
Right.
2, 3.
Right. And there is instances where people bike fall in the water. So they pull like 1,500 bikes from the water per year. That is crazy. 15,000. Thanks for the correction, Tyler, you were listening. 15,000 bikes from the water per year. That's just crazy to me. But the sun is out and it's a good day. We're enjoying it. So that's what in front of us is looking like. A lot of people out. It's Saturday. So a lot of people in the streets. Streets are full. I can't imagine what KFC line must be looking like right now. But let's see. There's more people than the eyes can see. And as you guys can see, a lot of them, majority is not in any mask, but a few is in masks. Because I get to understand that you don't have to wear a mask outside, but once you're in, you should. But hey, I'm taking no check, shawty. You guys, this country is surrounded by water. Water everywhere. What Babe says about the canal, it's the biggest dock, biggest port in Europe. Rotterdam is the biggest port in Europe. Water everywhere in this place, surrounded. We lost.
We learned yesterday during the windmill. We learned yesterday during the windmill tour that half of Netherlands are under the sea level. So they have a huge experience in water management, because if you don't do nothing,
the water
keep
keep rising. Sink.
Sink.
What is that flag?
That's a gift.
That's the gift flag. We'll explain to you one day when you become an adult, okay? When you become an adult, it's something about adults. When you become an adult, you'll understand. We'll explain to you, okay? So guys, lunchtime, KFC, we're having fries. Sorry, you're having fries, princess. You're having fries, yummy? They're yummy in my tummy. I have wings in my box. I'll tell you guys what it is like. Tyler is having, what you having?
Popcorn chicken.
Popcorn chicken and
That before at the KFC and there was none, so but
You're happy?
at Netherlands did it.
wow, this looks good. No salad in it. Wow. Oh my gosh, babe. That's chicken bacon sandwich now. This looks like babe. Ready to dig in? Ready? Yes.
Amsterdam.
Ah.
Stel is the name of the river.
Okay, you guys are in the heart of Amsterdam. Babes, so here is called the Dam, where the city was first started building, yeah?
Yeah, where they created the city.
Stella, see Lego. Go, Stella. Now is your moment. Stella, I want to take a picture with the Lego. Okay. Go on, hurry. Fast. That's a nice photo. It's beautiful. Wow. Protesting happening. Look, the orange jersey there.
Mama, what's in that flag up over there?
Ah?
Red, white,
I have no idea.
green. What is that flag?
Okay, what is happening in... Okay. A lot of people out here.
Yes, we can see that.
Yes.
This building is not new.
Mama, that the building is nothing new at all.
She went.
Let the building see.
Right, I'm trying to cut it. You guys look at this. Come Thai. The boats are just strolling down the river that we were on earlier. It's just absolutely beautiful here. No, the one we were on is bigger than that, much bigger than that. A lot of people out here. Come on, Thai. Where's Papa? Oh, he's ahead. Do you hear Jamaican songs? Listen. Hey, hey, hey. We're sitting here taking a little rest break. Tyler is having ice cream. I am supposed to be meeting up one of my favorite people that I've connected with via YouTube and Instagram, and a lot of you here on YouTube know exactly who it is. Her name is Jane from Jack and Jane. Jack and Jane live here in the Netherlands. So I'm supposed to be meeting up with her, but I'm gonna cuss Jane out because Jane's supposed to be here an hour ago, but she's running late. Thanks to Jaybird. But since it's Jaybird, I'll take it. Jaybird, anything for you, baby girl. Sarah is taking a nap right now, so we're just here relaxing until Jane gets here. I think she's coming with Jack, and I'm not sure if Jaybird is gonna be there, but I'm hoping it's the three of them. I'm so looking forward to meet Jane. You guys know that I'm a big fan of African fabs. I wear African fabs head wraps a lot. I wear their earrings, and if you guys don't know African fabs, I'll leave the link down below so you guys can go and purchase something from African fabs, and I'll also leave Jack and Jane YouTube channel down below. If you haven't yet subscribed to them, go and subscribe to Jack and Jane. Anyway, you guys, I guess I'll see you guys when Jane gets here. I'm super excited. I can't contain myself. This morning when she confirmed that she's coming to meet me, I was just skinning my teeth like a fool. Yes, Ty?
Jane looks like Jane.
Jane look like Jane. Alright. Jane is Jane.
Most important and useful comment of the day.
Only Tyler. I see her. I see her. Look at you. Oh my God, it's really you. Look at you. I am so short. Look at you. Hi, David. Oh my God. Hi, Mama.
Oh my God, that looks so hot.
Jack. Oh my God.
It's really you.
Listen, the camera, do you know Justice Girl?
Get me started.
No, Justice Girl. Oh my. Hi, David. Hi, Princess. Jack, oh my God.
What are you doing? You love me.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good.
See you
You?
in real life.
Oh my, finally. But it's my little crew. She's sleeping.
I forgot his name.
Tyler. Sarah. Stop. Look at you. Look at you. Enjoying your beautiful country. Look, this here cut girl. This here cut girl.
The camera's not doing it.
David! Hi! You guys, we're with Jane and Jack, and we're just sitting down at a little restaurant having some drink right now. Everybody's chilling. Say hello, guys!
Say cheese.
Oh, cool. Okay. Yes, it's Jack. Yes, it's Jack. Yes, it's Jack. Jack is hilarious. Sarah is here.
You can do cheer with
Cheers on the weekend, guys. Finally, real weekend.
The fat bag.
And now we'll go together.
Yeah, that's Tyler's specialty, huh?
That means you think you will be happy.
See the we have.
That's correct. It's okay. Sit down.
Whoa.
You have to pay everything back. They'll present you the bill. 3.2 million.
You know what this is? It's a butterfly. Wow. What is that? Butterfly. Tyler, Ty, give me the other one in your bag.
Before Sarah grabs it back like, it's mine.
No, in the big parts of the bag. Butterfly. Wow.
Yeah, Tante Mel.
Yeah.
Tante Mel from Jamaica.
Can you have this?
Oops. That's it?
Here with the girls. Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Sarah. Tyler, what's your bag? What's your bag? Sarah, go in your bag. No, leave her with this one. I'm here chilling with Jaber. Jalen, say hi. Jalen. And Sarah is down there.
Your son just made us divorce.
Let's go to town.
Tyler, let's sit down.
What he said? What's the competition is on? What?
The colors in light.
The color the light is? What does that even mean?
I've never been in such a competition before.
What does that mean, Ty?
That means I'm going to show two colors.
Yeah, what do you think? What do you think? Oh my God, you're looking for trouble.
Me too, huh? That's why I said what he meant by color the
Let him explain before you make the conclusions, you know?
That's Tyler. You have to let him explain because sometimes when he speaks, when you think what you want to think, you're like,
Okay, which one is the lightest?
You won the first time.
This is a booby trap question.
You want me to start.
You won, you start.
This is the lightest.
Okay, and you?
You have to pick the other one now.
Yeah, well, I have to pick the other one.
Yes. Okay,
So who wins?
check.
I'm going to
Okay,
check. How
let
are
me
you
check.
going to
Let me
check?
check. Which one is it?
I'm going to check.
Oh my god, this is next
Yeah,
level
so-
science.
So, the last time we went, I think in USA and Jamaica,
Okay.
every time he was walking with a domino
There's
game.
the winner. There's the winner again.
Winner is...
Jana going this time.
Okay, now you have to explain the rules. Why is this lighter? Why is this lighter than this?
Listen to the logic.
This is much more heavy than this. Feel.
Listen to the logic.
This is lighter. Feel.
You're right.
Oh, it's a special method. Yeah, then the purple one is much lighter because you can see it anymore. No, you're cheating.
Look at these two. Sarah, who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Wow.
Ben ik mooi vinden. Het is zelfs een soort van poes.
Wow. Sarah, who is that, Sarah?
No, we have to stay another hour.
Finally, it took a while.
Oh my god, the girls.
Wc of zo.
They're too cute.
Die heb ik uitgestuurd.
Sarah! Cuckoo, Sarah! They went to pee-pee. Good boy.